Hello to all my gorgeous people out there, it's Amina over here, and if you're new to my channel, please do take a moment to subscribe and please do hit the bell icon so that I upload any new video you will get a notification ASAP. And I came up with this look today, and I have been lately loving corals and purples, and I really love how this purple eye turned out. Without any further ado, let's get started. First step, what I'm going to do is moisturize as always, because moisturizer is such an important step and you cannot miss it. I'm going to take this Pond's light moisturizer, this one over here. So the next up, I'm going to take a Lakme Blur Perfecting Primer. I recently started using the Maybelline one and I found that really good. This also is amazing. Ignore the AC sound. If you know me from beginning, I love this Lakme one. It really helps in blurring out all the pores are minimized, and after applying that I'm going to directly jump into eyeshadow because that's what I like to do. I'm going to conceal my eyes before I do anything. So I'm going to take this L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer, and this is in the shade Amber. And whenever I use this concealer, I tell you guys that always use just one drop because it spreads like a butter. It actually feels so incredible to wear makeup after so long, because it's almost like 2 weeks. I had some important work had to be completed, and so I couldn't get into this process of doing, but I'm so glad I got back to it because I feel like Amina again, okay? And now that my eyes are well set, this concealer is like my skin but better. Can you see that? It doesn't give that much of coverage, but I'm okay with it. It's not like bad. I'm really close to you so that you people can see, because a lot of you people were saying that I'm too far away and you people can't see what I'm doing. So I'm going to take this Hilary Rhoda palette. This is the number 2 palette and has such amazing shades. Oh my god, I love this palette. It's so pigmented and so affordable. It's a drugstore palette again. So I'm going to take this lilac kind of shade, this one over here. Basically last tutorial I had told you guys that don't set this eye because the tackiness goes. For this you don't need tackiness because it's really pigmented. If it's a very medium pigmented palette, then you have to wait for this eye, but this is a very highly pigmented palette. Even if your eyes are not going to be tacky, you're going to just stay there and be pigmented. It's like that. So I'm just going to apply this all over my lid. Can you see how pigmented that was? That was just one dip, huh? I didn't go again and again. That was just one dip, and that is the pigment you get in this palette. And I absolutely love this color. It's so beautiful. So what I'm gonna do is I'm quite satisfied with the color, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna intensify the color from my inner corner to halfway of my lid. I'm not gonna fully take it completely here. A lot of people are saying that why don't you make motivational videos like how I used to make. It's just that I myself am lacking motivation in life, legit. It's so difficult. This pandemic has just reversed everything. I'm gonna take this color over here. It's a more dark purple kind of shade. You must be asking why am I saying that I lack motivation, because of course, why won't you lack motivation? You're just 24/7, you're at home, you can't go. Yeah, I know the lockdown has definitely eased down the lockdown and all of that sort, but still it's better to stay at home rather than going out and get coronavirus. People are taking this pandemic so lightly and it disturbs me mentally so much. I'm not even kidding you. I live in Roypeta in Chennai, and this place, people are on the roads without masks and all. I'm like, oh my god, तुम लोगों के पास दिमाग नहीं है क्या? मतलब you know it's such a serious thing, they can't even like wear masks, it's not even funny. And I'm not talking about the street vendors or anything, I'm just talking about the people who are like going in bikes and people who are on the road shopping and all. I got to tell you from where to where do that. So take this dark purple and take it from your outer corner to your inner corner half. I'm gonna take this Swiss Beauty's Midnight Sparkle eyeshadow palette, the shade 02. They have 3 or 4 of these with different colors going on, so I'm gonna just take to use this color, and today finally I've got the opportunity to do so. So I am gonna take that with my finger and I'm gonna put it from my inner corner to my outer. Oh my god, that's pigmented. Oh my god, can you like, I just can't. This is beautiful. Basically, I had a few works, as I said, going on. You guys will probably know what it is in a while. A lot of you actually in Instagram have been telling me like, why don't you get your parents on your YouTube channel? See, okay, I have told this before also, and I'm telling it to you again that you know my parents are not comfortable being in front of camera because my mother is a very reserved human and my dad is also very reserved, and they are much more older than I am, so they don't prefer it and I don't force them because you have to respect people's privacy, okay? You can't just force them to make them sit near you and shoot karo shoot. So kindly stop saying that again and again because I can't do it. Sorry. So I'm just gonna put some lashes on. So for the lashes I'm gonna take these that I bought from Amazon. Like I'll just link everything down. So I'm gonna use these pair of lashes, like these individual strands. One I'm just gonna apply it. I'm gonna complete this eye and then apply lashes to both and be like, just completed my eyes and they are done. Not done completely. I'm gonna do my eyebrows now. So I'm taking this Miss Claire waterproof eyebrow pencil in the shade medium brown. This one right over here. So my eyebrows are done. I do it very naturally, very simply, nothing like over the top. And what I'm gonna do next is I've already like primed my face, moisturized. Directly dive into foundation. I take this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Finish Foundation in the shade Golden Beige. This one over here. Feels so amazing after applying your foundation. It's funny. So I'm just gonna apply a little more because as I told you, this is a sheer to medium coverage foundation. The max you can go is a medium. So even after second coat. After I've done that, I'm going to take concealer. For concealer, I'm taking this Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 40 Caramel. And I'm going to apply that. After applying that, I'm going to highlight my under eyes. For highlighting, I'm taking this L'Oreal Infallible again in the shade Amber. And I'm just going to like just a little bit, I like to brighten my under eyes, so using this because it's a little lighter than my complexion. This spreads like a butter, I'm telling again and again. So if you're planning to invest, just a single drop will go a long way. So as you saw, it's just spread like a butter. I'm going to take this NY Base Compact with SPF 40 in the shade Tracy Mohair Look 2. Today to set my face also, I'm going to use this only. Powder has set and it's completely full coverage. That's the reason I look so yellow and look like as if I have jaundice. But we are going to work with that. We're going to look like a custard, but There is nothing that a bronzer cannot do and save, okay? I'm gonna take this bronzer by Sugar Cosmetics, and this is in the shade Taupe Topper. And this is the one over here. I'm gonna use that, and I'm gonna bronze my face with that. My face looks 100 times better, nicely bronzed. I love bronzer for this reason, that it just brings that warmth back to your face, which I really love. Complete our lower lash line. Lower lash line, I'm going to take this dark purple, which I applied on my lid. I'm going to take that and I am going to just apply it. I'm going to do lips. Now my makeup routine has completely changed. I usually used to do lips last, but I feel that, you know, as I said and I've told before also, blush is one thing that runs away from your face first. So I'm going to apply blush to the last and lipstick first. Lipstick, I'm going to mix two colors. One is Wet n Wild in the shade Very Recognize, this one. And I'm also going to apply with that Nude Nuance by Maybelline. I love Nude Nuance for this reason. You just mix it with any color and you just get a brilliant result. Like some result that you never expected. This very muted rose pink color that came out, and now I'm going to go to blush. Stay Quirky has come out with their blushes. So this is the blush. A very dark pink color. So for highlighter, I'm taking this Laura Geller highlighter, the shade Rose Glow. This is the baked gelato highlighter. Guys, this is my completed look. Oh my god, I love it. Like legit, I love it because it's so beautiful. I love how, you know, Nude Nuance like made my lips look after, you know, that mixing it with that Very Recognize or Wet n Wild. So I hope you guys like this look. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment and share, and if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe. It will mean the world to me. If you want me to do any particular look or any sort of recreations, you can do comment down and I would definitely read it and do it for you. I'll see you all in my next video. I love you all. Bye.